Rug is rock. Rock go down. But Rug no sell. Have strong hand. What do?
Krug buy berry. Berry go up. Berry go to move.
Grug want berry. Grug, FOMO.
Uga boga. Ibort. Ankej zever.
Guys, it is Blockchain coming at you with another Bitcoin technical analysis update. Today is the last day to get your free entry in for the Masterclass, so make sure you smash that like, hit the subscribe, and comment below. For those of you who are new to my channel, this is my website, blockchaintrading.com. I just want to highlight, if you jump on there, you're actually giving away my #1 trading strategy completely free. Hit this little get in touch button and I'll actually send you a video demonstration of how to set it up and how to implement it as well. We have the blockchain TA gear and as well as the exclusive Discord with over 1,000 active traders, many of them full-time professionals, so you can actually surround yourself with a bunch of people that are getting results and even help those that are just getting started. 14-day trial for just $25. That includes a signals channel, a ton of education, as well as elite traders such as myself in there as well. And then here's the Masterclass, which we will be giving away. Today's last day to get your entry in for the month of February. So make sure you guys smash the like, subscribes, and hit that comment button below. And then if you're interested in mastering Elliott Wave, a great resource tool to do so here for $4.97 exclusively from the Crypto Hippo. A great resource to learn how to implement Elliott Wave into your trading analysis. So highly recommend it. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do things a little bit different today. So I'm going to start with some Dash. I was looking for from the video yesterday, I was looking for a little bump up here as a lot of the indicators were getting oversold, but we got continuation. And basically what that kind of turned into was a little ABC here. Remember I said it was just a lot of corrective moves happening at the moment. So we did get the move back down. However, we didn't exactly get, the continuation bump that I was looking for in the exact spot. But what I'm leaning more towards now is this guy here as an A, this is a B, and now we are on our way up for a C. Retesting the bottom here at basically $200 here on Dash. And if that's the case, we'll go ahead and pull some fib extension. So I'm looking for another move up, but it is still coming across all, corrective to me, in my opinion, which means, well, I'm expecting this move up, but we will usually have continuation to the downside afterwards. So we can go all the way up to the 1.618, which is at 300 and what is that, 305. So we can get up to 305 basically from this move. I would pay attention to the 618. Normally we won't see anything quite like that, but we do have a nice little trend line here. But I am seeing this as potentially a wave one starting right here for our impulse wave to the upside. 618 seems a little light. I would look for really a 1-to-1 extension would be my preferred target. Get up here and retest the highs again right at 260. So we'll pay attention to that over the course of the weekend and see how that turns out. But I'm looking for another leg up here for just a regular ABC flat correction, all within this move here. Sushi. Let's see. So Sushi played out actually quite nice for our ABC that we were looking for yesterday, almost exact. We had a little bit of a wick through, but that's okay. And then you can see that, you know, this looks way better than a lot of the other alts, or I guess a lot of the other coins in regards to, you know, could be, I guess, a leading indicator in regards to what route we're going to go, but still looking at this whole thing as an A. This is our B, and then up again for our C. So it's actually falling in line with a lot of the other technical analysis that we're looking at for an A, and then this is the B, and then going up for a C. But this was, again, that wave one, you know, looked quite similar to what we have in Dash, even Bitcoin right now. And see, we got a nice pump to the upside, and get ready to pump it up. So if we pull our extensions for roughly what we'll be looking for, let's see, so we're at the 786 right now, but really kind of looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then potentially get up one more for a fifth. So it looks like a wave 4 formation flagging out at the moment. Would look for, I guess, retest this R3, and get a bit back potentially up to this trend line here at the 1.382. But like I said, it doesn't, this right here, it's coming across as 3 waves, which is why I would be, you know, looking for another leg to the downside before we can kick off impulsively again, because it has to reset. So I'd be looking for, you know, really within this zone, you know, minimum this 1-to-1 right here at 17.6, but we'll be interested in looking at retesting potentially the $20 mark. But a nice little healthy move right there. Doge, not a lot happened with Doge. Kind of same thing. This really does look like an ABC formation on the way down, but this still, I am leaning towards an impulsive move up on Doge here. And if that's the case, you know, we could be dealing with our start of our wave 1 for a 1, 2, 3, 4. Get up here at 0.0536. Boom, boom, boom. Potentially have our wave 1 and then have continuation to the upside. Let's see. Yeah, all is well with this 618 holding it at basically 5 cents, so looks good. Dot, let's take a quick look at Dot. Yeah, Dot, I mean, same thing. We had this flat connection in the middle for this B wave here. Again, went lower than I was expecting it to. But that's okay. Seems to be that this bottom is held just across the board. The only thing we did make a slightly new low on was Bitcoin, which it's known for doing that. And I'll cover that here in a sec. But I'm still looking at this as a 3-wave A. Here's our B forming down here. And then 1, 2. This would really be our 3, 4, and then a 5. So right here potentially be our wave 1. Resetting to potentially take off again. Again, we'll go and pull some targets. What can we see from the upside over the weekend? Get a little weekend pump. Again, we can go all the way up to the 1.618, which Dot, you know, that's $47. That might be a little tough, in my opinion. I would actually honestly be looking for a little bit more of a double top. Maybe something even slightly, it would be, you know, the R3 right here. That actually looks a little bit better in my opinion for a resistance point for a C wave. But we'll tag it and we will watch it this weekend. But ideally, this is what I'm looking for. First, get up right here into this zone, but at least a 1-to-1 extension for this flat connection right here. But again, the problem is, like I said, with a lot of these coins that we're covering, I'm seeing it come down on a 5-wave with a 3-wave connection for another 5-wave move to the downside for at least an ABC zigzag, or it would turn into an impulse for 1, 2, and then have a massive 3, 4, 5 to the downside across the board. So we'll have to pay attention to that pretty closely for as we get some of these tops. But I'm looking for a short-term bounce here, really across the board. And ETH, let's take a quick look at ETH. Yeah, same thing. I mean, it just has these little beautiful flat connectors in it. ABCs, get the C to the downside, boom, boom. And again, still looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more leg up again here for a 5th. I mean, across the board, it's pretty consistent. Basically, we're looking for something like this here. We'll go and pull a fib extensions as well. Again, we'd be looking for a 1-to-1 extension. That puts us right back here with the R3 at 1779, which, makes sense to, retest this area of resistance. But I would pay attention to along the way that the 618s for the 1629, but would look for continuation on up. And last but definitely not least, little good old Bitcoin here. So this one was a little bit more, it wasn't as clean as a lot of the other coins, but still looking at this as our A, this would be a larger B, and then up again for a C. And we have this target right here at 54,471. This is our daily R3. So we can see that we've been bouncing off the daily R2. It's been holding as support. So being that we've tested it a couple times, I look for a continuation back up. And if we do our fib extensions here, the 1.618 gets us right back up here towards the daily R2 at basically 54K. Is really what I'm going to be watching for, what I'm going to be looking for. But again, kind of same thing where we could have our wave 1, 2, starting our 3, and then having continuation again to the upside. CB index is resetting as we've been climbing, so it looks like it's not coming across super clean impulsive, but I am looking for a 5-wave move again to the upside here to finish this off in regards to having this as an A, B, and a C. You can see we had an expanded B pocket for the wick, and we did the same thing right here. We had the expanded B right here in the middle for an A, B, and this is our C down. Bitcoin likes to set in just a slightly higher high and set in a slightly lower low, to just, snag those stops. It happens all the time on Bitcoin. So we want to definitely pay attention to those as we go through and we move forward. So, yeah, that's what I got, guys. That's what I'm looking for over the weekend. So hopefully you guys can stay in touch in the Discord. Feel free to message me, join the Facebook group, whatever the case may be. I'd love to see you guys in there. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. And of course, smash the like, subscribe, and comment below, so that way you can get your free entry into the Masterclass drawing, which I will do Monday next week. So cool, guys. That's all I got. Enjoy your weekend, and hopefully catch you guys in the Discord.